Hey techies, this is Abbas from Codesiart. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is a break statement and continue statement in Python and how to use it. So what is a break statement? We use break statement to break the iteration of the loop. Well, let me tell you with an example. I'm creating a variable, I'm naming it as var, and I'm storing a string value which is Python programming. We want to iterate this string. I'm using for loop to iterate this. For I in variable. So if you don't know what is for loop, then watch my video. I have given a card here. Now let's continue with this break statement. So I'm putting a colon here. If you want to iterate this string, just use a print statement, and inside this you must mention this variable I. So I'm saving this, and if I run this, you can see here the string Python programming has iterated and printed each character in a new line. But there is a twist. What if you want to break the iteration of the loop when it reaches this character n, that is end of this Python? Well, you must use a break statement here. First we will mention the condition where to break the iteration of the loop, and for this we must use a if statement. So if I want to break this loop when it reaches this ending of the Python, that is the character n, so I is equal to character n. So which means if this I reaches this n, what it must do? Simply it must break the loop, right? So I'm putting a colon and just mention as break, and that's all. If Python sees this break, it will jumps out of the loop. So I'm adding a print statement out of the loop. So I'm adding as came out of the loop. So let me run the script. You can see here it does not iterate the full string. It has stopped when it sees this character n, and it has came out of the loop and print this statement. So this is how you will use your break statement. Now let me erase this. Now we will see what is a continue statement. Well, I will tell you a scenario. I want to print from number 1 to 10, but I want to skip the numbers which are divisible by 3. That is, I want to print 1, 2, and I want to skip 3, and I want to print 4, 5, and I want to skip 6, and so on. So we will just print the numbers from 1 to 10 and skip the numbers which are divisible by 3. So I'm using a for loop here. So for I in range of 1 to 11. So this means it will start from 1 and run up to 10. So if I print this, and I'm adding a variable I. So if I print this, see what happens. And see, it has printed from 1 to 10. Now it's time to use this continue statement and play with this code. I'm going to add a if block. Well, how to find a number which is divisible by 3? It is simple. I modulo 3 is equal to 0. That is, the number which is divided by 3 must get a remainder 0. So that's all. I'm just adding a continue statement, and if I run the script, oops, I got a syntax error. Well, I have to put a colon here. I forgot that. Now let me save it again, and if I run it, you can see here it has printed 1, 2, and it has skipped 3, and it has printed 4 and 5 and skipped 6, and it has printed 7 and 8 and skipped 9. And this is how it works. So that's all, friends. Hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and consider to subscribe my YouTube channel for more programming related videos. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.